Just gonna check the paste on this, make sure it ain't dry. I do this on every computer I buy, used. I love these older Lenovo's. Fast enough what I need. It's got SSD, 16 gigabytes, i5. So I'll just go around and take a little bit of pressure off at a time. Probably alright now, but supposed to wear an anti-static wrist strap, but I haven't got one, so hopefully that's enough. Yeah, I'll just put it to one side, and yeah, it really needed doing, really dry. So I'll just clean that all off, and I'll put some new paste on it. Okay, so I'll clean both surfaces with contact cleaner and alcohol. Just put a little dot in the centre, that's how I was taught. Everyone probably does it different and unknown, but that's the way I do it, and it spreads out when you screw it down. So that's it, just going to place it on top and then screw it down. I'm going to need two hands probably because I've got to shift that cable, so that's it. That's all we have to do. Easy job.